You're listening to Fluent Talk Academy.
Hey, English learners, welcome back. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia.
Welcome to our new English lesson.
We are very happy you are here.
Today, we will talk about our morning routine.
Yes, we will use easy English.
So, relax
Listen carefully.
and speak with us.
Don't worry if your English is not perfect.
Nobody is perfect.
We learn step by step.
One small step every day.
That is the best way to learn English.
Before we begin, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
Your support encourages us to make more useful English lessons for you.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
Mia, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
Yes.
That is a good time.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
Wow.
Yes.
That is early.
Sometimes I like it.
Only sometimes?
Yes. Sometimes I want to sleep more.
Me too.
I think many people feel the same.
Yes, my bed is very comfortable.
My bed says, stay here.
My bed says the same thing.
But we must wake up.
Yes, we have work.
Some people go to school.
Some people go to college.
Some people work from home.
Everyone has a different morning.
When my alarm rings,
Beep, beep, beep.
yes, it is very loud.
Sometimes I don't like my alarm,
Me neither.
but it helps us wake up.
That is true.
The first thing I do is turn off my alarm.
Me too. After that,
I get out of bed,
sometimes quickly,
sometimes slowly.
very slowly.
Yes.
Do you make your bed?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes?
Yes.
I try to make my bed every morning.
That is a good habit.
It makes my room look nice.
Maybe I should do that too.
After I get out of bed, I go to the bathroom.
Me too.
The first thing I do is brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth too.
How many times do you brush your teeth?
Usually 2 times a day.
Me too. Let's practice together. I brush my teeth.
Slowly.
I brush my teeth.
Excellent.
Then I wash my face.
Cold water?
Yes.
Really?
Cold water helps me wake up.
I like warm water.
That is okay.
Everyone is different.
Next, I take a shower.
I usually take a shower every morning too.
How long is your shower?
About 15 minutes.
Mine is about 10 minutes.
Do you sing in the shower?
Sometimes.
Really?
Yes.
Are you a good singer?
My bathroom thinks I am.
Bathrooms are very kind.
After my shower, I dry my hair.
Then I brush my hair.
After that, I get dressed.
Sometimes choosing clothes is easy,
Sometimes it is difficult.
especially when you cannot find one sock.
Yes.
Where does the other sock go?
Maybe the washing machine eats it?
Maybe.
Now I am clean.
Me too.
I feel fresh.
I feel ready for the day.
Now I start thinking about breakfast.
Me too.
I am getting hungry.
I can hear your stomach.
Yes, it says breakfast, please.
I think it is time to eat.
I agree.
So, Alex, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
That sounds delicious.
Sometimes I eat toast.
Do you put butter on your toast?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you put jam on it too?
Sometimes I do.
I like strawberry jam.
I like it too.
Sometimes I eat cereal.
Cereal is quick and easy.
Yes, it is a good breakfast when I am busy.
What do you drink?
I usually drink tea.
Only tea?
Yes, I love tea.
I usually drink coffee.
Coffee helps you wake up?
Yes, it does.
Many people like coffee in the morning.
That is true. Sometimes I make breakfast.
Sometimes my mother makes breakfast.
Sometimes my wife makes breakfast.
Sometimes I cook for my family.
Cooking can be fun,
Yes.
but sometimes...
I burn the toast.
Really?
Yes.
Is it black?
Very black. Then I make new toast.
That is a good idea. Sometimes I eat slowly.
Sometimes I eat quickly.
Why?
Because I am late.
Oh no.
Yes,
Do you run to work?
sometimes. I say, oh no, I am late.
I think many people say that.
Yes.
After breakfast, I wash my cup.
I wash my plate too.
I like a clean kitchen.
Me too.
Then I brush my hair one more time.
I look in the mirror.
I ask myself, do I look okay? Sometimes my hair says, no.
Mine says the same thing.
So I brush it again.
Good idea.
Next, I pack my bag.
What is in your bag?
My wallet, my phone, my keys. Sometimes a notebook.
Very important. Sometimes a water bottle.
Sometimes my lunch.
That is a good habit.
Before I leave the house, I check everything. Phone, wallet, keys.
Sometimes I cannot find my keys.
Really? Where are they?
In my hand. Yes. Sometimes I forget.
That happens to me too. Then I put on my shoes.
Me too.
Sometimes I wear sneakers.
Sometimes I wear black shoes.
In winter, I wear boots.
In summer, I wear light shoes.
Very comfortable. Okay. Now I am ready.
Me too.
I open the door.
I leave the house.
The morning air feels nice.
Now, the day begins. Some people walk to work.
Some people drive. Some people take a bus.
Some people ride a bicycle. Everyone has a different morning. And every morning is a new beginning.
Okay, dear listeners, you did a great job today.
Thank you for practicing English with us.
Remember, speak a little English every day.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Before you go, tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
And what is your favorite breakfast?
We would love to read your answers.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this lesson with your friends.
Your support means a lot to us. Thank you for learning English with us.
See you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.